Hello friends, today I am going to explain you special types of numbers. Armstrong number, automorphic number, cyclic number, factorial, Capricorn number, palindromic number, perfect number and triangular number. Armstrong number. An Armstrong number is an n-digit number equal to the sum of its digits raised to the nth power. Let's see an example, then you will understand. Let us take the example 371. If you do the cube for each of these digits and sum them, it becomes 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube. Why I am doing cubes here? Because this number has 3 digits. That's why I am raising to the third power. That's why each of the digits will be cubing. So 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube. If you solve them and add, again you will get the same number 371. Let me explain you another example. 9474. So this number has 4 digits. So each of the digits has to be raised with the power 4 and then add each of them. So it becomes 9 power 4 plus 4 power 4 plus 7 power 4 plus 4 power 4. So if you solve it and add it again, you will get the same answer 9474. So these such kind of numbers are known as Armstrong number. Automorphic number. An automorphic number is a number n whose square ends in n. See this example so that you will know. For example, 5 square equals to 25. So the number is 5 and the number is also square of the number is also ending with 5. Such numbers are known as automorphic numbers. Cyclic number. A cyclic number is a number with n digits which, when multiplied by 1, 2, 3 and so on, produces the same digits in a different order. See this example. 142857 times 1 is 142857. If you multiply the same number with 2, you will get 285714. The same digits are repeating but with a different order. 142857 times 3 is 428571. Again, if you observe, the same digits are repeating in different order. 142857 times 4 is 571428. Again, the same digits are repeated in different order. 142857 times 5 is 714285. This also has the same digits repeated, just with the different order. 14287 times 6 is 857142. So this also has the same digits, just repeated in different order. I am multiplying up to only number 6 because this number 142857 has 6 digits, and so I am multiplying up to the number 6 so that these the same digits of the numbers are repeated in different order. So such kind of numbers are called as cyclic numbers. Factorial number. A factorial is a natural number that equals to the sums of the factorials of its digits in a given base. See the example. If you take 1 factorial, you will get the same number. If you take 2 factorial, you will get 2. So the same way 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial gives you 145. So whatever the digits you are doing factorial for and adding them, the same digits you will get as the answer. Another example, 40585. For this also, if you do the factorial for each of these digits and add them, you will get the same number again. 4 factorial plus 0 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 8 factorial plus 5 factorial. Hope you know the factorials. For example, 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that becomes 120. Like that we will do factorials. After doing like that, if we add the digits, if we get the same number, such number is called as factorial. So that should be equal to the sums of the factorials of its digits. Capricorn number. Take a positive whole number n that has d number of digits. Take the square n and separate the result into two pieces. A right hand piece that has d digits and a left hand piece that has either d or d minus 1 digits. Add these two pieces together. If the result is n, then n is a Capricorn number. For example, if I take the number 9, what is 9 square? 9 square is 81. So I am separating these two digits like 8 plus 1. I am getting the same number 9. So this is called as Capricorn number. The same way, let me show you another example. 45. What is 45 square? 2025. So separate these into two parts. It becomes 20 plus 25. That is again equal to 45, the same number. Another example is 297. If you do the square of 297, you will get 88209. It has odd number of digits. How to divide it? If you see, I have already mentioned a right hand piece that has d digits and a left hand piece that has either d or d minus 1 digits. So it will be divided as this. Now it becomes 88 plus 209, and so the answer is 297, which is equal to the same number. So such type of numbers we call them as Capricorn number. Palindromic number. A palindromic number is a number that reads the same forwards and backwards. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you write them or read them in the reverse order, again you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Such numbers are called as palindromic numbers. So if we read forward or backward, the number will be the same. Perfect number. A perfect number is a whole number that is equal to the sum of all its factors except itself. You can understand by its example. For example, 6. If you take the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors. But what is a perfect number? Except itself, we have to sum the remaining factors. Then again we should get the same number. So 6 equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this is a perfect number. Let me show you another example. 28. What are the factors of 28? 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14. We should not take this 28 because except 28 remaining factors if we add we should get the same number. So add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14. What is the answer you are getting? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 7 14, 14 14 28. So such type of numbers are called as perfect number. Triangular number. A triangular number is a number that can be represented by a triangle array of dots. See this. If I take the number 1, this is 1. If I take the number 3, 1, 2, 3, I can put it as a triangular shape. And C5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6. 6 is also a triangular number. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is also a triangular number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is also a triangular number. So whichever the number we can represent as a triangular array of dots, that is called as triangular number. So I think today's video might have helped you with new kinds of numbers and special types of numbers. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.